So my sister and I are working on, well, she's doing a vision board, I'm doing a prayer board, and I wanted to bring you guys along as I do this. So just figured I'd do a quick little intro before I just like show you guys the mess that we've made. And yeah, so I'm going to go downstairs and show you guys what we have so far, and then yeah, when we're done I will share with you guys all the stuff that I have there, things that I'm praying for, and all that jazz. So yeah. So this is the mess my sister and I have so far. We just keep everything in this bag and just pull it out once a year. So this is her corner, my corner. We just have a few magazines. So we're using these magazines and some vision board books that we had bought over the years. Just different things. We have some paper packs, stickers, just random things. These are the things that I've clipped out so far. Just some social media things. This says, that's upside down, it says happy. Some little pictures and just a bunch of little things. Like, oh, I know. That was really fun. Alright, and then this is my board. As you can see, we have a huge mess, but let's see what Sister Kayla has going on.
Yeah. So let's start with like all like the stuff that isn't words. Okay. So we got like a little guitar here because I'm new. I think I'm gonna learn how to play the strings.
You know what? I said that for this year too. I was gonna learn the guitar.
That's why we also have like a little ukulele there. Throw in the record player. That's just for funsies. I like music. Coffee, because of course. Hot chocolate, because of course. Got some computers and a desk because I'm like an educated girl, you know. Throwing some disco balls because that's fun. Smoothies because I want to get back on my smoothie game.
Okay.
This is
cute.
like a very
like. Or is that a sticker?
That's a sticker.
From where?
It was from one of the bags that had like the
I haven't looked at the bags
I got
yet.
these are like stickers.
Cute.
I got here.
Tell us about
like
the words.
The words. Well, for like the funsy ones, hello gorgeous, good times, focus on the good, just like cutesy stuff.
Okay.
Then threw in some goddess love stickers, rejoice, and I put that with the music. See, I'm so smart. Then these blank ones, I'm probably gonna, well, this one I'm gonna put 2025. This one, I might put like a quote from like a verse.
Okay. I like left some blank ones on mine so I can write.
Yeah.
You want to see a tour of mine? I'm gonna give her a tour of mine, but I gotta reset it again because I took it off. So, yeah. But we're doing great. Also, this is my karaoke mic. I'm not gonna do it. Don't worry. She's over me.
I don't like it.
So here's my board. So basically, this little corner is like adventure, solo trip. I want to go there. Up here is my creative corner. I have to figure it out because some of the sections are a little like close. This is like artsy and colorful yarn because I've been crocheting. And then I have random blank spots because this is my prayer board, so I want to be able to write in prayers, write in my goals, just different things like that. I want to move out, so I have little pictures of my home. And eventually we will add more prayers in there. And also because I turned 30, I found this number strip and it ends in 30. Oh no, focus. And then different Bible verses that I found. Why is this not focusing? And just quotes. Different things. So yeah. So here is my board all done. I was gonna write my prayers on it, but then I realized I should probably just do that off camera. I don't care if you guys see it, but I don't really know what I'm writing yet. But I wanted to kind of share what I was thinking. I know I already did that a little bit, but like over here, I have like this little timeline that ends in 30, and I thought that was cute. Then just down here, some like traveling stuff and start moving because I want to, not exercise or start going to the gym, things like that, but just moving my body more. And then just little quotes there. Live with intention here, exercise. And then on this side, a more of a homey page, because I would love to move out happy, and then a verse about rejoicing, a space for my goals, and a space to put a prayer request here. Then here it says, don't give up on the person you're becoming. Over here it says, what is coming is better than what is gone. The verse that it has here is Romans 12:15, and it says, rejoice with those who rejoice, weep with those who weep. And then I put here just this cute little thing that said, girl, you totally got this, saved by grace, forgiven. Then like I put this thing that says pray, kind of cut out of different letters, and it's a little thicker, like it pops out. I don't know if you guys can like see that. I did like 2 layers of foam tape there. And then I also put here, it says who you are on YouTube, and I have space to write here, so I just want to do like a prayer request, probably more related to YouTube and stuff like that. Some creative crafty things here. It says create for a purpose, do it with passion, crocheting stuff here, and just cute little things like that. I figured I can write all my prayers in that, and it can just be something cute. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have chosen a word for the year, let me know what that is. My word is prayer for the year. So typically I would choose a word for the year, and I feel like that word never made sense, because I would always pick that word at the end of the year after I've done things, so like before, like discipline, intentional, different things like that. But I kind of chose them after a year of trying to practice out those things. So that didn't really make sense, except for last year. My word was creative. I didn't do as many word studies as I wanted to, but I do feel like God gave me a spark for like that creative side of me with my hobbies and the different things that I'm doing. So yeah, that was exciting. So this year's word is prayer. Let me know what your word is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I think that's all we got. See you in the next one.